Do you remember your last doctor's visit? I do. And that's why I am compelled to share my experience with you. I went in thinking I had a simple cold, but I left with a list of medications and more questions than answers. And it turns out, millions of Americans face similar situations every year, confused, overwhelmed, and disempowered. That's why you absolutely must read our latest article, The Medical Appointment Guide, where you will find 20 of the most essential activities that everyone must know to be successful in today's medical appointment. This article zeroes in on one crucial aspect of your healthcare journey, mastering your medical appointments. And after reading, you will be able to understand how this guide is your cornerstone to becoming more proactive in care. We cover 20 essential activities, from how to communicate effectively with your healthcare provider to mastering the art of medical record management. It's like a user manual for healthcare. What you'll get out of this article isn't just information, it's empowerment. You'll understand how to navigate the healthcare maze with a newfound confidence that only comes from being informed. Don't wait until a medication oversight takes you on an avoidable trip to the emergency room. If you're serious about becoming your own best health advocate, now is the time. Read the article and consider investing in our comprehensive program to ensure you and your loved ones are empowered, informed, and prepared for any healthcare journey. Thank you for watching.